okay, what is productivity paranoia? What is that? And here's what this is. It's about this idea that when you talk to managers and you talk to employees say in general, they're 87% say that they're productive in the workday. Yet the exact opposite, the exact flip side of that, only 12% of managers are saying that they think their team is productive. And that's a productivity paranoia. There's a disconnect there. When we shifted to remote work in the last couple of years, a lot of us did. And I know a lot of us are coming back into the office, but there's still that hybrid component. It means there's less visibility in what all of us are doing for the rest of the people in the organization, in particular, a lot of the times management, leadership, the people that we report to. And there's more trust required. Okay. Well, it used to be managers and whatnot, they'd walk the floor, the floor. And they were able to rely on the words that they would have and the output as well as walking on the floor. And this is hard, and this is changing expectations and the behavior on how we are understanding what it is that we're all doing and measuring the output. So nowadays, and because of that, it's hard to measure productivity. We believe we're doing our job, but our managers don't necessarily see the output that they were expecting or that they had, and they didn't have that conversation as easily, so it's just more of a challenge. And most tools, most tasks, they don't produce immediate results. It takes time to build that I want to say TPS report, but that's just a nasty word. It takes time to build and deliver the solution that we have. And so what I want to do is look at some hidden gems, some things that will help you be more productive, but sometimes and often to actually be able to visibly show that productivity.